aron masolusyonan ang problema sa job mismatching dinhi sa Central Visayas. Adunay mga programa nga gibuhat ang TESDA-7 aron masiguro nga mohaum sa mga job applicant ang nangitag trabaho. Gitawag nila kini og retooling og retraining nga gitumong aron makapalambo sa katakos sa mga mangita og trabaho. Libre ang training program sa TESDA hangtod makahuman og maandam na sila nga mokuha og assessment test alang sa national certification. Karong buntaga dungat na makisayod kauban ang ilang regional director.
And we have with us this morning, Director Ramon Evan Ruiz, ang Regional Director sa TESDA-7. Maayong buntag, RD Mon, and welcome sa GMA Regional TV Live. Kindly greet all our kapuso nga nagtanaw karon gikan sa Central ug Eastern Visayas.
Maayong buntag, maupay na aga, Ma'am May, and also to our televiewers in Central and Eastern Visayas. And also I would like to greet the Team TESDA Region 7 and TESDA Team Region 8, including my Team Armed Forces of the Philippines and the Philippine Army, where I worked with for more than 37 years. Maayong buntag o maupay nga aga sa atong tanan.
Yes, good morning kaninyong tanan. RD Mon, hisgutan ta karon kining kabahin sa job mismatching. Unsa kalapad kini karong problemaha?
Yes, actually ma'am, according to statistics given by ADB, 8 out of 10 of our graduates at TESDA land in employment and livelihood immediately after graduation. 2 out of 10 gets mismatch or they don't decide to continue on working. These are the data given us. And the problem is either they are overskilled or underskilled based on the applied job.
Sumug yun ay mga sagad nga hinungdan.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, these are some of the reasons, but I can enumerate some other reasons why there is job mismatch in the country.
Pero unsay mga programa nga gilusad karon or gibuhat sa TESDA kabahin aning job mismatching, RD?
Okay, thank you, ma'am, for that question. Actually, the TESDA is already implementing the area-based demand-driven TVET. This was started in 2021 to address already the labor market needs as identified by the relevant industries and employers at the local level, specifically perhaps here in Region 7 and also in Region 8. The mapping and prioritization of the skills requirements is based on the critical job skills as identified by key economic sectors and industries in the area. And because of this, TESDA presented to the public some interventions like offering diploma programs or higher level qualifications, yung tulong trabaho scholarship program for upskilling or retooling of our skilled workers na hindi po mag-fit doon sa requirements ng industry. We also have some convergence effort with the DOLE and the Public Employment Service Office of all our LGUs. We also conduct focus group discussions among relevant stakeholders. We also create industry boards so that there will be direct coordination with the industries significant or very active in specific regions in 7 and in Region 8. And also we organize multi-party partnership under the supervision of the ILO.
RD, ubos sa mga training course ug TESDA program, pila na ang mga nakapahimo sa inyohang libreng eskwela?
Okay, for Region 7, for 2022, there were about 35,300 who enrolled under TESDA training programs, and they were assessed as well and awarded national certificates. And out of these, 29,867 graduated, and these are the people who are now employed.
RD, unsay inyohang mga bagong dalit or unsay paagi nga makontak mo alang sa mga gustong mo pahimos niana?
Okay, for TESDA in Region 7, we have about 296 training providers all over the region in the 4 provinces. But I can flash over in the screen the contact numbers. In Bohol, it's 093553118885. For Cebu Province, it is 099972827111. In Negros Oriental, it's 03522511578. And for Siquijor, the contact number is 091731401885. And we have a number of contact numbers for our regional training centers, 0917-118-3863 and also 0917-307-3336. For Provincial Training Center Daan Bantayan in Cebu, it's 032-437-8159. For Provincial Training Center Carmen in Cebu, it's 032-422-0556. For Provincial Training Center Minglanilla in Cebu, it's 032-412-7157. For Provincial Training Center in Sambuan, Cebu, it's 032-479-0069.
Alright, RD Mon, daghan kayong salamat sa imuhang pag-share kanamo karong buntaga. Ug daghan kayong salamat, RD.